the other elevator in Parking Garage E at Tysons Corner Mall, McLean, Virginia. It's an OTIS Gen 2. These are somewhat familiar to the Home 2 Suites McCandless. Blue lights. Make sure you don't swear in the video though, okay?
Fuck no.
Going down.
Go down to 1. Oh my gosh! I'm censoring that out. Here we go. These are much better than the KONEs.
First floor.
Here at 1. Go up to 7. Ring the bell. Up, they don't work. Door close button works. Here we go. These are not hydros. Plaza Hotel. This was added in 2017.
7.
Here are 5. No, it's 7. Go back down to 2.
Oh, look at that.
Going down.
Want to get a view?
No, we'll do that off camera. Just a basic parking garage elevator. Series 7, hands-free ADA code compliant phone. This has a 4th plot. Here are 2. Here are 2. Here are 2. We're working off here. Watch the doors closing. There it goes, and that's it.